There's an aching deep inside that no longer I can hide, and it's telling me once more it's time to roam. So again I'm on my way, heading out across the bay, but I cannot tell when I'll be coming home. Anywhere. See, there's the North Star guiding me, and a light on the horizon showing where I long to be. Outward bound I travel on through rain or shine, where empty seas and memories are all that's mine.